Welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll be solving question 5 of the series of questions we started earlier. And this one says that she inscribed 4 equal circles to a square of side 80 to touch one side of the square and 2 other circles. To touch one side of the square and 2 other circles. This square is side 80. Let's rule a line. Then I'll measure 80. This is my 80. 80 is here. So from there, I can draw a vertical line like this. Draw another vertical line from here, like that. Then if I like, I can measure. If I want to be lazy, I can just measure 80 directly. 80 will be here. This point of 80. So I can just take this t-square upward. Then I'll do that. So that's my square. So the next thing I want to do is to draw diagonal to the square, like this, and like that. Then I will draw vertical line and horizontal line passing through the center. This is vertical line and this is horizontal line. So now to begin to plot, because the circle, there will be one circle here, one here, and here. So the first thing I will do is to bisect this angle. This angle here, which is 45, because the diagonal has divided this 90 degree to 45. So I'll bisect it. I'll stay at the corner, connect it with an arc, and I'll move up a little, mark an arc, move on to this other end, mark another arc. So with this now, I will draw this line. Yeah, so it is intersecting this vertical line at this point. So that is that. So that will be the center of my circle. So I'll place it here and extend it to touch the side of the square. So I can now draw my circle. You can see the circle is touching one side. Now, since they are supposed to be equal circle, the easy way for me to get the center of other circle, just place it on the center point like this and extend it to the center of the circle like this. See, like this. So you come here, you mark an arc here. That's the center of the circle there. Mark another arc here. That's the center. And mark another arc here. That should be the center. So with this now, I can now draw my other circles. So I'll place this one here like this. Then I will draw, place it very well, like this, and I'll draw my circle like this. It's not touching very well. It means there's little error. In case of whenever you have an issue like that, maybe it's better for us to just bisect that one too, so that we can get the center directly. To do that, let me bisect this one now. I'll bisect this arc like this. So I'll stay here. I'll mark an arc. Stay on this other side. I'll mark another arc. So with this now, let us see if it will fall on that same point. You see, it is not falling on that point. It's not falling on that point. That means the square is not perfect. So we have to do them one after the other. We place it here like this, extend it to touch one side of this, and you can see this one is touching. Okay, it has shifted. So let's do it again. Put it here, extend it to touch the side of the square a little, and you draw this. You can see they are touching exactly. So let's quickly find the center for this one. You connect the 45 degree with an arc. You stay on this side, an arc. Stay on this other side, another arc. Let us draw this one too. This one too, you can see it is not still not falling on the center, so it's a little bit shifting. So you place it here like this and extend it to touch one of the side of the square like this. Okay. Shifted. That's one. So there's little error, that's why it is not touching that side. If you are very careful enough, you should be able to do it in such a way that it will touch, definitely touch, all the circles will touch themselves. So let us bisect this angle too. Connect them with an arc. Stay here, mark an arc, stay on the other one too, mark another arc, then draw the bisector. I see this one too is falling out of the arc, so you put it here, extend it to touch the rectangle, the square slightly like this, then you can draw. So you can see it's touching. So that's how to inscribe 4 circles in a square, to touch one side of the square and 3 and one other side and 2 other circles, sorry. It will touch one side of the square and 2 other circles. So that's the solution to the question. Thank you very much for watching. We'll meet in the next video. Don't forget to share this video and like the video and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so.